What's up, guys? Back again, and today we've got a nice little vlog video. Just got a new job. Not only did I get a new job, but got a new package in the mail. So it's all great things over here, and yeah, just wanted to share a little quick unboxing video with you guys. So let's see what we've got here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I never get this lucky. I always try to, and then I open it, and it's like, oh, well, you gotta open 3 more boxes before you can open up the rest. There we go. Maybe if I could stop shaking. There we go. And what do we have here? Well, actually, I'll just take out the good thing first. Oh, they got it all taped up. All right, fast forward. Boom. And we are back. Look at that. Fatty can. Just like what we got on there now. I wonder. Yeah, they're literally the exact same size. I was hoping so. So, we developed a real shitty rattle with that guy there. Hey. You can actually hear it while it's connected. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this new bad boy on there. And this exhaust, since I actually purchased it, came with the silencer. So we'll see how that sounds in comparison. I'm sure I'll throw those inside the video as well. So time to get this whole thing jacked up. So now we've got the old out. Let's see. Yeah, you can hear all that floating around inside of there. I am just tired of hearing that. So, time to put the new one. Fun stuff. Alright, guys. We have got the new installed. I think I'm going to leave the silencer in and then take it out for the rest of the video. So, yeah, we'll get a shot with that. I'm sorry that I didn't get a direct before shot from the shitty exhaust, but I do have another clip from another time when I left the exhaust entirely off that I'll add in for sound purposes. So, I'll set up here and we'll go ahead and we'll get it checked out. So now I figure we'll go ahead and we'll take out the silencer and see how pissed off I can make the neighbors today. So yeah, stick around and find out with me. Okay, so we now have the silencer taken out, and I mean, I kind of see how it quiets it, but we'll see what happens. In the name of science. All right, you're good to close it behind me, and then I'll knock and let you know.
Okay.
Sorry, this thing's probably in the way. Now try. Well, Boo, what'd you think of the new exhaust?
Good.
Good. Is it better than the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it sound better than all that rattling and clankety noises? Yeah. Well, I say, and Boo says, that the exhaust passes inspection. So, eBay it is. I mean, they definitely took it for the win. I don't know how old my other eBay exhaust was, but I mean, it came with the car. I'm not really too upset to know that I probably trashed it, and so that's why it started rattling. But yeah, so we've got the new one installed. I'll probably install the silencer so that way I can go get nasty and, you know, let a little bit less people know that I'm doing so. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.